Whew. We are here at the Walker Art Garden. This is a garden museum?
Yep.
Sculpture garden. In the dark. My hat keep messing up.
So romantic.
Yeah, it is kind of romantic.
Romantic.
Show you the kids. Hey, okay, now we're playing snow fight. Let's walk around. Let's go see the cherry.
Yeah.
Say hey.
Hey.
Y'all playing snow fight?
Yep.
I don't want to. That's a. Y'all make sure y'all get.
No, don't throw it at people. Then.
Yeah, don't throw it at nobody. Cause I don't. Yeah, just throw it.
Did you guys hear the bell?
What, Emily, can you cover your ear?
We're somewhere fun, Kiki.
Golden Corral. Don't throw no snow at me, Kiki. Naya, that's enough. That's enough for you. Cause you just a wild and I got some wild and out kids. Who fell? Yeah, see, I want. Well, we can't go out to eat if you're gonna be wet and stuff. That's it. That's it. Okay, once again, we're downtown Minneapolis at the Walker Art Sculpture Garden with these kids in the snow. I don't know. Naya Jean, my child just don't want to stop messing with the. Just stop it. That's what kind of. Yeah, she don't know. She know what snow is. Because you just said snow going out to eat, and now it's gonna just be all wet. The city, the bells are going off. Church bells. What? Say hey, Kiki. You hear the bells? Now, Ebony Princess, you want to say anything? That's the cherry. You see the cherry? Oh, hey, you in a cola, boy? Say hey.
Say hi.
It's Kids Family Fun Day. Saturday Family Fun Free Day in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We left out the inside because we're about to get kicked out from them damages. Going behind the line. Don't go.
We can go over here.
What's that? What is that? I know we can go in the line. Don't go in no water.
What water?
Naya, don't pick up no more snow. That's it. You're gonna. I don't have no more gloves for you. Seriously. Well, Kiki, and look at he want to throw snow at me. I said no more snow. Your glove. You don't have on the gloves that are thermal.
Oh no!
I'm gonna kick the snow. Kids. You got a snowball fight. I'm gonna snowball fight you. Yeah, Kiki. Ah, I got you. I got you. Oh, I got you. I'm gonna kick the snow on you. Okay, so there's the cherry, the bells, there's the chicken. So we're gonna. So what you wanna do? Oh, see, she just don't want to listen.
Yeah, I'll check out. She don't listen. Without a car.
Let me see about that. It's just we're in the city. Y'all live in the burbs. We're in the city now. You wanna hear it? It's like in the yeah. Okay, so they didn't shade the sidewalks here, so I'm gonna finish playing with the little kids, and then I figure out where we're gonna go eat with all these kids. I don't know. That was nobody. That was not nice. Everybody doesn't have gloves on, but I'm gonna sign out. See you guys later. Kids rule.